and mouse. In this chapter, we will study about keyboard and mouse. In keyboards, I will tell you about different keys. We have alphabetic keys, numeric keys, and some special keys. And in the mouse, I will tell you about mouse pad, mouse pointer, and mouse X. Different actions mouse do that I will tell you in this chapter. Now let's start with the chapter. First, keyboard. We use pencil or pen. When we have to write on paper, we use pen or pencil to write. Like on writing on the monitor, what we use keyboard to write alphabets and numbers. We use pencil or pen to write in our notebook. We need keyboard to write anything on the computer. And writing on the computer, whatever you are writing on a computer, it is called type. What it is known as typing. And the buttons on the keyboards are called keys. And the keys are of different type. We type on the computer with the help of these. We use some keys to write on the computer. That keys are alphabet key, numeric or number keys, and special. Now, what are alphabet key? Our first type of key is alphabet key. This type of key is used to type letters from A to Z. You can write in capital also and small also. The keys on which you see alphabets from A to Z, they are called alphabets. These keys are used to type letters, words, and sentences. By using this key, you can form sentences and words, and you can also type letters. There are 26 alphabetic keys on a keyboard, and they are presented in the quadric format. The alphabetic keys, these are not alphabetical. ये किस फॉर्म में होते हैं? क्वाट्री फॉर्म होते हैं, QWETRY form. Now these are the alphabetic key that we see, and I have told you किस फॉर्म में होती है. They are in quadric form. These are your alphabet. Then we have numeric key or number key. We have two number keys and numeric keys on the keyboard. First on the right side and second at the top of your keyboard. The keys on which you see 0 to 9, number 0 to 9, they are called number key. These keys are used for typing number. You find these keys at two places on the keyboard. 20 keys okay, 20 number keys okay, like this. Up key 1 to 10 or 1 to 10 here on the top of the keyboard. Now some special keys. What are the special keys like enter key, space bar key, delete key, your caps lock key, or backspace key? These are some special keys that we have on our keyboard. There are some special keys on the keyboard. These keys are used for specific tasks like moving to the next line on a page. Some of the special keys like enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. जो आपको next line पे जाना है, तो whatever you will use enter key. There are two types of enter key, and enter key comes in different shapes, and they come in different shapes. Next is space bar key. It is used to add blank space between the two letters or words or numbers. If you have to do spacing between two numbers or words, what you will use space bar key, and it is the longest key of the key. Next is your caps lock. It is used to type letters in capital letter. If you have to write the letters in the capital letter, you will use caps lock key, and you press this key and a small light on the keyboard is turned on. जैसे ही आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे, एक ग्रीन कलर की लाइट टर्न ऑन हो जाती है, and caps lock key once again to type, and you have to press the caps lock key, then you can type. Next is delete key to erase the letter or number after the cursor. If you want to delete any letter or number after the cursor, then you can use delete. Backspace key, it is used to erase the letter typed before the cursor. It is usually the last key in the row of number. Where your row of number is there, you can see the backspace. It is present at the last. Now what you have to rearrange these jumbled letters. Like this is typing, backspace, space bar, delete, and enter. Next is computer mouse. A mouse, it is the main part of computing. It looks like a real mouse. It is small in size. It has 2 or 3 buttons. And it is attached, किससे attached होता है? CPU से with a long wire that looks like it's tape. And in the middle, it has scroll. How it looks like? It looks like a mouse. And it is attached to a CPU through a wire. It has 2 or more than 2 keys. And in between, there is a scroll. Next is, it has a ball and sometimes a glowing. ऐसे बॉल भी होती है और एक ग्लोइंग लाइट भी होती है यहाँ. ball and sometimes a glowing light under it. We can select and open things on the monitor by pressing the buttons of a computer mouse. If you have to open anything on the computer, you can use mouse by pressing the buttons on the mouse and open the folder. Yeah, anything that you want to open. We can draw pictures and play games using it, and some computer mouse are wireless. We have wired mouse and wireless mouse. ठीक है, जो क्या होता है बिना वायर के कनेक्ट होता है with the help of Bluetooth. You can play games and also do paintings through the mouse. Now mouse pad. It is always placed on a soft and flat surface जिसे mouse pad कहते हैं. It keeps mouse को dust free रखता है, dirt free रखता है. This way it will always work properly. और इसी तरीके से वो करता है properly work. Next is mouse pointer. Small arrow on the monitor, it is called mouse pointer. It is used to point on something on the computer. When we move the mouse around the arrow on the screen, also move. जैसे ही आप माउस पॉइंटर को घुमाएंगे तो जो आपका एरो है वो भी स्क्रीन पे क्या करेगा, मूव करेगा. We have mouse clicking. Pressing a button on a mouse, it is known as clicking. Single click, when we click the left mouse button, जैसे आप left mouse button को click करेंगे once, it is called single click or left. Double click, when you will click left mouse button twice or quickly, it is known as double click. What is right click? When you click the right mouse button once, it is known as right click. Drag and drop, when you keep the left mouse button pressed, it is known as dragging. And what is dropping? When you release that button after dropping the thing, it is known as drop. In this chapter, I have told you about the activity you have to do yourself. In this chapter, I have told you about keyboard and what are the different keys we have in our keyboards. Like we have some alphabetic keys, numeric keys, and special key. Then I have told you about the mouse, what are mouse actions, and what are mouse pressing, and what is mouse. It is a soft cloth that on which we keep our mouse. That's all for today. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.